Keep getting error code 112 when firing up Roblox on your computer? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, try repairing Roblox. To do this, type run in the search bar here and click on it to open. Now type %local app data % here and press enter. Then scroll down and open up the Roblox folder. Then go to the versions folder and open up the first folder. Now double-click on Roblox Player Installer and it should start reinstalling Roblox. After it finishes, restart your computer and check if you can play Roblox without this error. Solution 2. If you're still getting this error, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first type CMD in the search bar here. Then right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. Now type net sh winsock reset and then hit Enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. This will delete the old DNS server cache from your computer. Now type net sh int ip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If this doesn't work either, just uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings. Click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Wait for it to finish and then you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So that's how you fix Roblox Error Code 112 on your computer. If the video helped, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!